I'd like to say thank you to Kathy P and John K. I was able to buy the tripod for this channel, so I don't have to use only a broken tripod, but now I could use a good tripod as well. You know, and 2 tripods come in handy when doing some good videos, which I plan on doing once all this freaking snow is gone. You know, I plan on making some travelings, going to a couple places, and you know, whether that might be an abandoned building or a haunted house. I'm planning to do a few things this year. Soon, guys, I will be hitting 500 videos on YouTube, and I'm gonna be doing a special video for the 500 mark. I'm not sure what it's gonna be, where it's gonna be, or how it's gonna happen. So let's go ahead, guys, and unbox this tripod and see what it's all about. All right, we got the tripod. Let's tear into this. Cut this tape already. Oh, okay. Comes with a case to put it in. That's cool. Trying to make this quick. Oh, it just snaps open like that. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool right there. It's also a little thing here to lock it. This way this can't open on you. But we're not gonna, see? Could lock it. This way it don't open. Oh, it's got a little hook on the bottom too. I don't know what that's for. I don't know what that's for. Very lightweight. It's got a little leveling thing here. It's got a handle. I'll show you right there. Get the light going. Got a level thing here. Got a little swivel thing here. Where's the handle? Oh, here it is. Oh, that's nice. That's not too bad. It's a very stiff pan. Very stiff pan, but that could be a good thing for slowing down the what do you call it? The panning technique. Slows your panning down a little bit and gives the people a little more extra view of what you're looking at. Instead of something that goes really fast, oh, look over here, look over here. We could just go, oh, let's look over here. Check that out. And come back. So it's a stiffer top end, and the other ones will just spin around if you hit them. This one won't. It'll knock the thing. Oh, whoa. See, it almost knocked the thing over because that's how firm it is. And came with this little piece to get your device on here and tighten it up. It's pretty cool. Also, we got a little level there. I don't know how good that's going to be. That's to level the I think that's to level this. You bring this up or down. For some reason, I don't know why. In case you want to get an angle shot, you know. And this here just goes back in. Just like that. This here tightens your pan even harder. This is, I don't want to break it, guys. But that tightens your pan really hard. You know, really, really firm. So the best thing to do is leave that loose. This way you get that nice steady pan. You don't even need this. You could just take this out and put it back in your bag, or because you know it's not really no good. So it's not bad. It's not bad, guys. And we got the little handle to extend. And this you have to tighten up on the bottom. It's not too bad. Yeah, it's very stiff. That's better. And we got the nice handle here. So you can have this down. You got your camera on here, right? And you just lift it up and start panning left and right if you wanted to. You know, left, right, and stuff. Just pretty cool. Quick up and go. Just detach the bottom. Bam. Grab it. Go. So it's cool. It's got a handle. It's got a little hook thing for. I don't know what the hook's for. Maybe the storage. I don't know. But you go hook a rope on there and do your panning with the rope. But it'll knock this over. This is very small compared to. Does have the legs. This leg will come out. This leg will come out. Thank you guys. I really appreciate the donations, and I was able to upgrade my equipment and get a new tripod instead of using the broken one all the time. I'll still keep the broken one in case I need to do 2 shots in one type of thing. But these gloves for I don't know why, I guess. But yeah, so let's go check it out, see how it is, and see how it does. Okay guys, so here they are, both together. Let me go this way a little bit more, and you might be able to see the width, how small this one is compared to this one. I mean, to me it's no big deal. I'll just get them both the same way so you can see. To me it's no big deal, okay? Much smaller, but still okay. Not too bad, guys. It's not too bad. Now this one you can see much easier. It spins. I do that with this one. It's gonna want to fall over. Okay. It just moves the whole thing, but not too bad. Not too bad. And just to let y'all know, I did. Let me grab the handle. See if we could pan with this a little bit. The new tripod. Just to let y'all know, I did order a mini tripod as well. Okay, so I'll be able to use a mini tripod for low things, and the bigger tripod for big things, you know. But I'll now also be able to use both tripods. Like, I could have one tripod looking at me over here while I'm doing something over here with the camera, and I could kind of merge 2 scenes, you know, into the video. So I'm just testing out this tripod by the handle, holding it by the handle and doing some pan with the tripod actually up in the air, because I don't want to set it down into the snow. I don't want nothing to get rusted. This brand new, you know, so I just figured let's try to do the slow pan here so you guys can see the snow we got. And overnight, there is the wind generator cranking, because it's windy and freezing out, guys. Let me collapse the tripod and just carry it by hand. I'm carrying the whole tripod by hand just to see how it is. So after all, my hand is almost like a bearing system. Okay, I'm now